Hello, I'm Heather Kaye, violinist, educator, and creator of Discovering Oskar Rieding, Essential Violin Concertos and Pieces. Oskar Rieding's violin concertos are relatively in the world of Suzuki Book 3 or 4, and they are not just for beginner violinists. They can also be for intermediate and advanced players who want to be able to apply a specific skill set to a simpler piece, for example, vibrato or bow distribution, to be a more expressive player. This is why I created the course, so that adult violinists have repertoire at their fingertips, basically, that matches the emotions and the expressions that we want to be able to play within music. And I have a free gift to get you started. For every single concerto, concertino, and piece within the course, I've created workbooks with practice checklists. And I am giving away for free today with this video the workbook that I created for Concerto in B Minor by Oskar Rieding. In this workbook, you have a practice checklist to walk you through all 3 movements of what to practice. Not only will you be learning how to play Concerto in B Minor, you'll also be learning how to break down pieces to smaller sections and what sections and how and organized and why, that you can apply this to other repertoire that you're learning as well. Oskar Rieding's Concerto in B Minor is so rewarding. It's lyrical and dramatic. While learning essential violin techniques, you get to express yourself. It teaches you how to sing while building essential technique on the violin. And no, you don't need to wait to be a virtuoso before you play a violin concerto. This course is part of a bigger dream I've had to offer adult violinists an opportunity to play repertoire that's manageable, fulfilling, and healing. Rieding's music is exactly that. His concertos were written specifically for students, yet they carry depth and elegance that is completely timeless. Discovering Oskar Rieding includes 3 full violin concertos, 4 recital pieces, and 2 advanced concertinos. Plus, I've added a little bit more. So it's enough to get you going for a good while and giving you that opportunity to play more mature music. But let's start simple. Go ahead and download the workbook below. You'll find the link in the comment or the description. And if you love it, I'd be honored to welcome you to the full course. You deserve to play music that lights you up. Happy practicing!